Welcome back to another video with Straight to the Content and FCD Vinyl and Apparel. And today we are here with the whole crew, and we got something new here with the crew. We got the new drip.
Honey drip, Bigbeetv.
Honey drip, big. Oh, we also got the exclusive too. We ain't gonna talk about that. Shout out to Sinclair Photos. Big guy, big. What are we calling?
YouTuber?
Big YouTuber. We got the prints in for his new logo. He's got all the new merch. You guys saw all the colors. He's been blasting all over social media. So today we can finally press so that all of us can go to the meet, all dripped out in the new Bigbeetv gear. I'm gonna wear some. I'm gonna support my boy. I'm also gonna be delivering Sinclair Photos his custom hoodie. Right, it's a hoodie, right?
Yes.
Custom hoodie. So we're gonna go in the back right now. We're gonna show Big B how to press. He's gonna probably just press like one. I can press one.
No, he's gonna press them all.
No, he ain't gonna press them all. No, because we gotta work on the site. But anyway, so by the time we release this video, by the time you guys see this video, everything will be available on the website, bigbeetv.com.
Hey.
Everything will be there. You guys will be able to go and cop all the exclusive merch. And please support. So please come out tonight. Well, actually, by the time this video comes out, everybody will have already been there. But anyway, all right, guys. So let's go ahead. Let's go press this. Let's go press this stuff up. Right?
Man, dude, you have like full of energy right now, and I'm over here lost for words, and I don't even know how to.
I'm thinking it, y'all.
I don't even know how to even think right now. But hey, shout out to my guy Carl, straight out of content.
Appreciate it.
Cool guy, you know what I'm saying? Big old goofy guy. But yeah, we have all the merch right here. Can't wait to stamp these on and start rocking.
Oh, now we can say the colors. So tell us the colors. Tell us the color names, the exclusive color names.
All right, so this is Big Mint. You know what I'm saying? So everything's have big in it. So Big Mint. What color was this again?
Big lilac.
Yeah, big lilac.
Mama, hit that light.
Or lavender. Lilac? Yeah, lavender.
Yeah, it's lilac, big lilac. I like that name. Then we have big red, big black, and then big white.
Big white.
Hell yeah, man. I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all enjoy it. Just want to kind of like, you know, just put the extra, you know, just the extra on it. You know what I'm saying? Give every color its own little unique name and stuff like that. But yeah, it's going to be cool, man. For real, I'm lost for words. I don't even know what to say. When I see it, I'm going to be like, damn, that's it.
He's being super modest, man. He's worked extremely hard on this design. He's been thinking about it because you've had this idea for a while, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's had this idea for a couple months. And then finally, we were able to bring the design to life based off another picture that he had. And then he picked out the colors because he wanted a specific color wave. He didn't want something that everybody else has. You do have the basic black and white for all you basic motherfuckers. But for all the people, I'm being silly. For all the people out there who want to stunt, who really want to, you know what I mean, show out, Bigbeetv, he's got the brand, he's got the color waves, and this is just the beginning. This is just a summer wave. It's gonna be so many more things coming out. I can't wait. Anything else?
Hey, Carl, dude, you seem more excited than me.
I'm excited, man.
Just know, I feel the same way.
Drawstring bag.
Oh, that's right, the bags. Oh, I'm tripping. That's right, we got the bags to match. You got the hat to match. What's that song? What is it? Anyway. So yeah, he's got the bags, the shirts. Wasn't there one more thing? Oh, the tanks. Yes.
Yeah, tanks, bags.
Tanks, bags. So for the ladies, you guys got to cop a tank and a bag. You got to have a bag to put your makeup in. You know what I mean? All the other femininity stuff or whatever other the stuff is called. You know what I mean? The lip gloss and whatever. And then the dudes, you guys got to cop the bags. You know you got to carry your piece, your 9 in there, and then whatever.
Oh my God.
You got to carry your McDonald's. You got to carry your McDonald's in the bag. All right, man. Let's go ahead. Let's press, man. You ready to press?
Hell yeah.
All right, man, let's press.
Okay. So we are going to press it for 12 seconds. Go ahead and I'm going to show you.
And now the timer for 12?
Yeah, if you see right here.
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and push down. It's kind of hard. So use muscles. Go down. All the way down. It's going to lock. So 12 seconds. Okay, pop it up. Oh, okay.
You broke it?
You got to be gentle.
No, she's joking.
No, I'm serious. You got to be gentle. Okay, so we're going to put that one to the side. What's your next color you want? Press down. 10.
Pressing that fresh tank.
Your muscles.
That fresh tizank.
10 seconds.
This is so cool.
Hands.
Oh, look at that, smooth.
All right, so we're gonna put this one to the side.
Ooh,
we're gonna peel this. Okay. So we need to press this one for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Sicko.
Go. Okay, so this one is done.
For real? Damn, just like that, man. We pressed it real quick. Damn.
Usually I don't have to press so many times. Okay, so let's do this one.
That is definitely fly right there. Where can I put this right here?
I'm gonna do quick fire. Then it seals the deal. So we'll do this there.
Damn, that is so good. Hell
Okay,
yeah.
what's our name?
Oh, I'm scared of all the dudes.
We got insurance. Go ahead.
So like that?
Yeah, lay it down. Okay, so we want the, we're gonna go down
three,
three.
right?
Yeah.
Right.
Pull it down.
Just grab it?
Yeah, and then just place it to the side. You peeled that one over there, babe?
No, you want me to peel it?
No. Okay, so let's peel that one while this 12 seconds is going. Peel that one. Okay, so then
Perfect.
this one should be done,
Big
and then we'll
mint.
pop that one back up. So that one can go over there and wait to be peeled.
Put it on top, right?
No, we need to press that one.
Because of how hot
Of
it
the
is?
heat,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
It'll go back. Our first time we ever did that, we freaked out.
Y'all were like, damn, we just damaged
We
the
burned
shirt.
this shirt. If we have it on camera, I was like, and then Carl cuts off the camera.
Oh, bro, you cut it?
And you can hear me go, and then the camera just cuts off.
Like, oh, we got stuff. Can't show the world.
It was so. Let's see if that
Hold
one's
on to
cool. Go ahead and fill that one.
That's fire.
And then see how it changes the color.
Damn. That's so
Messed it up.
I know. And then let that one hang out. So 12. Let's peel that one over there because that one makes it 5.
Fire.
Yeah, that's nice. I like that wooden.
Oh look, put it on right now. Oh, pop that.
Oh my god, this is my this
Setting them
is
up.
a small one.
Oh yeah, it would look good with that. So then that one needs to cool.
And then repress this one.
5, yeah. There you go.
Damn,
That's hard.
so
No,
far.
that would look really good with your outfit right now.
It was.
I might do red, babe, so I can go there with McDonald's. We don't have a red shirt in my size.
You have to give me a kid's meal and be like, here, Big B.
Yeah, I can't. Yeah, I hold it like this.
Color.
You big black, bro.
I know, yeah,
Saying.
yeah.
Wear a different color.
Yeah.
That one is nice.
It does.
See, this is what we do here at FCD Vinyl and Apparel. You know what I mean?
What we
Let you come in and. Nah, this is an
Do your own work.
Yeah. This is just for Big B,
yeah.
because Big B's been there since the beginning. Since the beginning, before any of this, he's been here since number one, since day one. So yeah, he gets the exclusive behind the scenes stuff. He can come in here and do stuff like this. It looks like he's really enjoying it. That's what's crazy. It looks like he's really enjoying it. So yeah, we're just gonna let him do his thing.
It's his own brand. You know,
Yeah.
Google, it's hands on your own brand. You know, that's
Yeah.
can't get better
This
than
is
that.
amazing. Like amazing.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. I'm glad we can create this opportunity for you.
Right?
It looks fly, like
It
for
really
real.
does.
Like
It's gonna be
you
hard.
can buy this at the mall.
You gotta put it on like a few
Right.
other people, and say, yo, at the end of the night, I need my shirt. You know what I mean? But if there's like 10 of us all wearing your gear,
Oh yeah.
that'll be crazy tonight.
What if everybody wants to buy it tonight?
Then you guess we'll be in here overnight.
After party over here.
Well, we take pre-orders, right?
Yeah. And not only pre-orders, they're on the web. They just gotta wait. So what is it, 3 to 5 days?
Yeah, they're really fast. They only do it like 2 days.
Yeah, I missed it. I missed it.
That's funny.
What you gonna put in there?
Studded.
The old merch.
All right, bro. How you like it? How you like your merch?
All I have to
Just
say,
the mock-ups.
Look, all I have to say is that this merch is so fire. The quality and everything, man. Like the t-shirt, they're not like cheap t-shirts. They're like really good, soft material, soft to the touch, whatever, whatever. You know what I'm saying? All that greatness. And just the logo, dude. Like it's so like smooth, no bumps, no bubbles. You know? Then we go over here to the red. The red looks really good. Like it just red, yellow, perfect combination. You know what I'm saying? Got the blue.
Ooh, with the bag, with the bag.
Yeah, with the bag. Oh look, and it comes with a little tank top too. Now that's fire. That is fire right there. So yeah, man, the website's finna be up soon. Y'all go ahead and check it out, man, and cop the merch. It's really nice merch too. So all these colors are gonna be in all the, like the bags, the tank tops. So all the colors you see, that's the colors that you're gonna get. So we have mint. We have the, what's this color again, Carl?
Big lilac.
Yeah, big lilac. We got big mint. We got the, what do you call this color again, Carl?
Oh, I don't know, big baby blue.
Big baby blue. You know what I'm saying? We got big black.
Big black.
Where's big white at? Big white.
Big
we got
white.
big white. All right.
Big Trump.
I don't know. And then the rest, you already know what's up. So
Big red. AKA McDonald's.
yeah, my favorite place to be. Double cheeseburger, medium fry.
All right, guys. All right, that's going to be it for this video. We're going to go ahead. We're going to work on some other things. And then we are going to the meet tonight. And I'll also be recording there. You know his videos. You definitely got to check out his videos. He always gets all the crazy content. He'll be right up there with the police, like right behind him, taking guns from cops and stuff like that. It's crazy. You got to check it out. Bigbeetv on YouTube. Check him out. He's the craziest guy on YouTube. All right, guys. You know my slogan. I'm starving. I'm literally about to eat. Be basic. Peace.